as it is very as you know from the name, for all to use, जिसे हम तमाम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Okay, yesterday we talk about community, and I told you the people where we live together are called our neighbors, and most of the people with whom we live are called is community. And see, what is community? A community is where lots of different people live together and help each other. See, in our community, we are living with many people. Like some are doctors, some nurses are there, some engineer, policeman, and the people belongs to different professional. They make one community.
The topic is lesson number 5 for all to use. Okay, what are the discussion points of this lesson? Today I will discuss understanding what community means, role and responsibilities of a community, sharing, services and government. All these things we will discuss in this lesson, and turn by turn you will see all slides will show you what are the meanings and what are the concepts of this lesson. Okay, your house is on a street. The people who live near your house are your neighbors. All the people living in one place form a community. The community can be a village, a town or a city. The people of a country are its citizens. We are Pakistani citizens. So this lesson highlights the importance of living in a community. So example giving, amongst a group of people from various walks of life. These are our neighbors as well as the different people we deal with daily. So first of all, we will see what is the meaning of community. A community is where lots of different people live together and help each other. So all the people, when we are living together and helping each other, it is our first responsibilities to cooperate with each other. So this way we make a community. As Aristotle said, man is a social animal. So we cannot live lonely. We should be in our society. So society should be clear and society should be cooperative. Every community has things which are shared by all the people. The house in which you live may be your own, but the street is not. You share the street with other people as a citizens of your village, town or city. You share that place with the other people in it. You share many other things too, like we all are living in families, and we share so many things. Okay, we share things in the home with our family also, and have rights and duties too. We share facilities with our neighbors, and again also have rights and duties. So all the things we share in family and with our neighbors also. Here you can see this slide is showing we all are making a community. We all are living together on this planet, and what these things we are sharing, like park, hospital, roads, banks, schools, petrol station, shop, post office, police station and electricity. All these symbols are showing that we all are using these things, and these belongs to all. We are using all these things in a society. Okay, sharing these things means that we must also share the responsibility for them. Citizenship involves people acting together to address issues and improve society. So here students, what is your responsibility as a student? What can you do? So I have selected some slides for you. So what is, as a student, what are your responsibilities as a student? So being a good citizen, you should be kind to everyone. First of all, you should be kind to everyone, as God has given us kind heart. So always have kind and humble heart. Smile and respect everyone. Okay, your smile and respect is very important, these two things. Students, when you are smiling, your face 17 muscles move. So it is a good practice when you are smiling. So always smiling, because it's a good practice. And respect your elders, because your elders are providing you all these things. Be friendly to children and classmates. You should be careful about your classmates and children and your cousins. So always be friendly with them. Okay, keep your environment clean. As we all know, in these days during this pandemic, we should be clean our homes, streets and roads, because it's very important for our health. So as a student, this is your responsibility to keep your environment clean. Always put wastage in a bin. Next, respect traffic laws and rules. We should be respectful for our traffic rules always, because traffic rules are important. When you are going somewhere, you should know what are the rules of roads and how to drive on a road. So when there is a red signal, you have to stop, and when it is yellow, you have to alert, and when you see the green signal, then you will move. So all these signals have meanings, so you should know what is the meanings of these signals. Okay, follow school rules, be in class on time. So as I know you all are good students and you are following all schools rules, as you are taking online classes. So it means you are following the instruction and rules of school. So it is a good gesture. You are showing your good attitude. So be a responsible student also. Keep away from bad guys. Okay, sometimes some friends, your some friends are spoiling you. They are giving you wrong instruction. So you should be careful about it and avoid them. Okay, donate your clothes to poor children. Okay, as you all are giving money and some other things in school, so always donate some thing to poor children. Like you can give money, clothes and other things, like your stationery you can give. So all these things you can donate, because you all people are helping hand. Have self-control, don't get angry. Okay, very important thing. So in these days you all are living at home and all time you are spending at home. So be uh, patient when you are doing your work, and when you are living in house, you should be cooperate with family members also. So don't get angry and be happy. Respect the property of other people. Okay, we should always be careful with other people's things, because when we are spoiling other things, this is not a good habit. As we are careful with our things, we should be careful with other things also. So respect the property of other people. Be aware of your rights. As a student, you have right, like in these days you are studying, you are getting online classes, your parents are providing you everything. So this is your right, because you are a child of your parents, and similarly you are a student of your teachers. Your teachers are giving you all material and they are delivering lectures. So this is your right, because you are a student and you are a child. So first of all, you should be aware of your rights. You have the rights to be treated equally. Okay, as you know, we all are giving you all materials, and we are giving you respect. So you all people are equal in front of your teachers and in front of your parents. Respect policemen. They are here to save your life, and respect your parents and teachers. Okay, we should be respectful with policemen, because students in these days, you know, They all are performing their duties. They are doing their duties at night and in the morning. From morning to evening, they are doing duty. So we should be respectful, and we should give them respect. Similarly, respect your parents and teachers also, because they are teaching you, they are giving you material, and they are guiding you how to do your work. Similarly, respect your parents because they are your good provider. They are services, and turn by turn I will tell you what is the work of these people and what are they doing in our society. First of all, you will see courier man. Okay, they deliver documents and other items to customers. And second, a street cleaner. He cleans the street and roads. Okay, different services like doctors and nurses. What is the work of a doctor? They maintain and restore human health through the practice of medicine. And nurses play significant role in hospitals and clinics. They communicate between patients and doctors. Firefighters, they put out fire and save lives. And what is the work of postman? He delivers letters from door to door. Okay, plumber, he fits and repair pipes in houses or in other institutions. Next, an electrician. What is the work of an electrician? Okay, they install and maintain all the electrical and power system for our homes, businesses and factories. Next, an engineer. Okay, they design and draft blueprints, visit system in the field and manage projects. Next one is a pilot. He flies planes. Traffic police. Okay, they direct traffic and control traffic on road. Next one is police. They save our lives and property. Now come to the question answers. Question number 1 is, which of the services named in the lesson do you use? Question number 1 is, which of the services named in the lesson do you use? Answer, we use the services of street cleaners, the postman, the police, and the firefighters. Okay, all these services we are taking help of these people, and answer, we use the services of street cleaners, the postman, the police and the firefighters. Question number 2, how is a government chosen? Okay, answer, through an election by voting and choosing the people who will make the rules for us. Through an election by voting and choosing the people who will make the rules for us. Okay, this is the work of government. Question number 3, what does the government do? Okay, what is the government do? What is the work of a government? Answer, it decides how much tax we have to pay. It provides us with services such as buildings, roads, and public buildings. It provides us with water, electricity and transport. All these things government is providing us. What are these? Building roads, public buildings. It provides us with water, electricity and transport, and many other things government is planning and it is providing us. Question number 4, what is tax? How is it used? Okay, what is the meaning of tax? Tax is money collected from the citizens which is used to provide services for them. Okay, what is tax? Tax is the money collected from the citizens which is used to provide services for them. So students, on everything we are paying tax. What is tax? We are paying to the government, and government is collecting that money, and after that using that money to make different plan and different other things our government is planning. Our government is using that money. So what is tax? Tax is money. On everything we are paying tax. Like on different cosmetics you will see the original price plus tax. Like on soap or on toothpaste we are paying 2 to 3 rupees tax. So on everything we are paying tax. We all people are paying tax to the government, and government is collecting that money and after that spending on different projects for the betterment of people. So that is all about question answers. Work page. You do not have to pay for everything. Write free or not free against each of the following. Activity A from work page. Okay, here you will write free or not free. Number one, walking on a street. Okay, are you paying for walking? No, you are not paying. So it's a free service. First answer, free. Okay, number two, studying in a school. Okay, definitely you all are paying. So it is not free. You will write here, not free. Number three, buying something from a shop. Not free. Number four, breathing fresh air. Free. We all are breathing freely. Okay, using a bus or a taxi. Not free. Using water to wash clothes. Not free. Seeing the doctor in a hospital, not free. Drying clothes in the sun, free. So all these things you will write like free, what is free and what is not free. You will put in the blanks, free or not free. Now come to the B activity. Find these words in the grid. What are these words? Number one, community, tax, services, public, private, and neighbors. You will find all these words in the given grid. Okay, you can color and you can circle around these words. And after that, you will make sentence by using these words like community. You can make sentence, we live in a community. Similarly, tax, we are paying tax. So you will make sentences below this grid. Okay, activity C. Do you know your neighbors? Describe some of them. Okay, okay, students, you know your neighbors, and you will write few lines about your neighbors. What are they behaving? Are they behaving good or not? You will write few sentences about your neighbors, and after that, what other buildings are there near your school? Find out. Okay, I will tell you what are the buildings near our school that are GPO, General Post Office, bank, fortress stadium, church, and mosque. You will write 5 places near your school. I repeat it, General Post Office and the short form GPO, next bank, church, mosque, and fortress stadium. All these things are near our school. So that is all about lesson number 5. If you want to ask any question regarding this lesson, you can ask.